Hi, this is Divij. Today I am going to be solving all these three Rubik's cubes, 3x3, 4x4 and 5x5. So let's begin with the 3x3. To solve this Rubik's cube, you first have to make a white cross here. Then you have to solve the cube layer by layer. Some people think that we solve the cube side by side. We first make one side then second, but that's not true. You have to perform some algorithms and do some calculations daily to solve the cube. So let's start. I'm almost done with the first layer. Now it takes only 1 minute. It's solved. Now the turn to the 4x4 cube. To solve this cube, you have to first make a color square, same color square, then solve the corners. And then it's basically a 3x3 cube. You solve it as a 3x3 cube. So let's begin. I'm done with the cube. This took a lot of time. Now, the final time taker, the 5x5 cube. This will take time. So let's start with the green square. To solve this cube, it is basically 4x4 cube, but we have to solve 3 corners and 3 layers of squares, and we will count 3 layers as well. So all the cubes are basically a 3x3 Rubik's cube. So let's start with the green square. So guys, I have finally solved the corners. So it's now basically a 3x3 Rubik's cube. All 3x3 moves like the 4x4.